Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever dreamt of ditching the middleman and taking control of your own finances? Well, the world of cryptocurrency offers just that. But with so many options and exchanges out there, navigating this new frontier can be a little daunting. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest players in the crypto game, Kraken. Specifically, we'll be tackling a question many beginners ask: can I send Bitcoin with Kraken? The answer, of course, is a resounding yes. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty of sending your precious BTC, let's take a step back and understand why you might even want to do that. Why send Bitcoin in the first place? Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, boasts several unique features that make it a compelling tool for sending and receiving money. Here are a few key reasons. Borderless transactions. Unlike traditional banking systems, Bitcoin transactions aren't bound by geographical limitations. Need to send money to your family overseas? With Bitcoin, it's a breeze, bypassing international transfer fees and delays. Speed. Compared to traditional bank transfers that can take days, Bitcoin transactions are blazing fast. Depending on network congestion, your recipient could have your Bitcoin in a matter of minutes. Security. Bitcoin transactions are built on a revolutionary technology called blockchain. This decentralized system ensures a high level of security, making it nearly impossible to forge or tamper with transactions. Transparency. Every Bitcoin transaction is publicly recorded on the blockchain. This provides a level of transparency you just don't get with traditional banking systems. Sending Bitcoin with Kraken, a step-by-step guide. Now that we've explored the why behind sending Bitcoin, let's get down to the how with Kraken. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Get your Kraken account ready. First things first, you'll need a verified Kraken account. The verification process typically involves submitting personal details and government-issued ID. Once your account is good to go, log in and head over to the funding section. 2. Deposit Bitcoin. Before you can send Bitcoin, you'll obviously need some in your Kraken wallet. You can deposit Bitcoin from another exchange or wallet you might use. Alternatively, Kraken allows you to purchase Bitcoin directly using various payment methods. 3. Head to the withdraw section. Once your Bitcoin is safely deposited in your Kraken wallet, navigate to the withdraw section. Here, you'll initiate the process of sending your Bitcoin to another address. 4. Add a withdrawal address. This is a crucial step. You'll need the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. This is a long string of alphanumeric characters that acts like their unique bank account number in the crypto world. Triple check to ensure you have the correct address. Sending Bitcoin to an incorrect address can result in permanent loss of funds. 5. Specify the amount and network. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Additionally, you'll need to choose the network you want to use for the transaction. Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network, and different network options offer varying transaction speeds and fees. Kraken typically offers two options. Bitcoin Network. This is the original network and offers the highest level of security, but transactions can be slower and incur higher fees. Lightning Network. This is a newer layer built on top of the Bitcoin network that aims to facilitate faster and cheaper transactions. However, it may not be as widely supported as the standard Bitcoin network. 6. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, including the recipient's address, amount, and network selection. Once you're confident everything is accurate, hit the withdraw button. Kraken might require additional confirmation steps, like two-factor authentication, to ensure the security of your transaction. 7. Track your transaction. After confirming the withdrawal, you can track the progress of your Bitcoin transaction on the blockchain. There are various online blockchain explorers that allow you to view the status of your transaction using the unique transaction ID provided by Kraken. Kraken, more than just sending Bitcoin. While sending Bitcoin is a core functionality of Kraken, the platform offers a wealth of other features for crypto enthusiasts. Here are just a few. Margin trading. Experienced users can leverage margin trading to amplify potential returns and risks on their crypto holdings. Staking. Earn rewards by locking up your holdings of certain cryptocurrencies that support staking. A wide range of crypto assets. Kraken offers trading for a vast selection of cryptocurrencies beyond just Bitcoin. Security first. Keeping your Bitcoin safe.